Alright, so what's going on, guys? So, I'm doing the ANPRO 2 review. I'm not going to go into everything about this keyboard. There's a sound test at the end for the MX Cherry Blues. You can go ahead and skip to that if you want. I'm just making this video solely for that purpose. I'm not going to tell you everything about this keyboard because this keyboard's not new. There's so many different videos you can watch. I'm just going to give you a sound test at the end of the video. Here's some cool looking shots, I guess. Here's what you get in the box. I mean, yeah, I'm not going to keep talking. I'm just going to let you enjoy this video. It's only like a minute 30, so if you like, help me out, go ahead and hit the like button. And yeah, guys, hopefully you did enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.